on site 85, pull-through site. Pretty good. We have enough room to leave the truck hooked up, which is great. We have water and electric, no sewage, but we're just doing an overnighter, so we really don't need it. So 85. And we'll get set up and take a walk through the campground. Got some cute little cabins in here. So like I said, we are on site 85. We have them marked pretty well in the road. Get set up and get some dinner. Just walking around our campsite. What you doing?
They're crazy. I don't know where I'm trying to figure out how much we're going to support it and level it. I'm gonna try to let just the back down, so you can go out there and make sure they're going down.
You got the T-handles loose?
Yeah, are they moving?
No. There they go. They're going. Done?
Just check my bubbles out here though. Everything up there looks okay. Wow.
Dang.
Wow. I'll take that. Relieve the stabilizer belt.
This is number 65. We're gonna walk up the hill. So they have a lot of pull-throughs in here. These all along the left side of the road here. And then this number 63 is the one that's on the right. It's a pretty big campground. Looks like they may even have a pool. It is kind of hilly like this part, but the sites look pretty level. So they do have a pool. It's covered up for the season. And so this is the way we pulled down. This is actually two sites. As you can see, one right here. And then this is the road that we pulled down on. So there's the office. See the construction going on. Not sure what they're doing, but we'll find out and add it. So we came through this way and went down, turned on First Street to go down to our site, number 85. So we'll do just a quick walk through here. They have some cute little cabins. Squirrels included. Tent area. It says exit only. Not sure why it says that. Because as you can see, those are pull-throughs there. They have some back ends. It is bigger than we expected it to be. So here comes our tent area. Campfires and breakfast are smelling good. Lots of shade down here. So these also are pull-throughs. That's nice for doing what we did, which was just an overnight stop, being able to just pull through and have the room to leave the truck hooked up. It's very convenient. And then these on the end here are the back ends. So this first site here is number 60 for reference. Looks like they have a pet walk over there. And more pull-throughs on this side. It's a pretty big campground. It's bigger than we expected it to be. That is a serious propane tank, y'all. That's serious right there. And you can see how this is raised above the area down there. So, looks like they have some full-time people here. There's another pet area. Have a nice little playground here. It is in dirt, gravel. I guess it's not really all dirt. There's gravel there. And then, so here's a pull through. Pretty big. That one is, like for our camper, wouldn't be considered level, I guess, depending on how big you are, how far back your wheels are. And like I said, it's pretty hilly, but most of the sites are pretty flat. Looks like they have a so they have bathhouses, there's a restroom, there's a shower. Haven't seen a laundry room yet. So this is the office area. Have a little basketball court here. And like I said, construction going on. There's the laundry room. is where we did our, we did a late check-in, so they had our map taped to the door. I will say it did not have like a line drawn to our site, so we were a little confused how to get down there. You know, they didn't have the arrows on the road to tell you for sure which way to go, but we found it okay. And again, here's the pool area. Have some nice picnic tables around the pool. That's unusual. Usually they have lounge chairs and stuff, so that's different. Pavilion for rent. About 6 picnic tables in there. And this is the area where we are. This is the exit. So we are there in the Wildcat.
That's all, folks.